I can say from my experience participating in a vaccine trial, right? First of all, they vetted me to the ends of the earth. I had to have somebody who's like shepherding me through the process. Basically, that was her whole job, is to vet the people who came forward. She said to me, I need to ask you all of these questions and I need to do all of these things because we want to make sure that you will be safe. And we want to make sure that the information that we get from you in this trial will help other people be safe. It was a really protracted process. I had to go there a lot of times. You could drive there now in blindfolded almost. They monitored my pregnancy. They took my other files from my OB. I was in a trial. It was a GlaxoSmithKline, again the phase 3 trial, and I received a shot. They don't tell you in a trial whether it's the real thing or if it's the placebo. I was kind of fairly early in my 3rd trimester, and then I think either right before or right after my son was born, they called me back and they had me come in and they said, we are unblinding the study. In this study, we're concerned about some things. We don't think it's causal. We don't have any evidence of it. It's very few, but we are so concerned about these small number of like preterm births and things like that, that we are ending the study and we are telling you that you got the actual vaccine. We're unblinding it to you so that we can monitor you in this specific way and your son, and also so that and you can inform your healthcare provider, right? So even though they were already at phase 3, and even though there was a competing vaccine that they were really urgently wanting to get ahead of, right? They stopped the study because there were a very small number of adverse effects that could have been connected to the vaccine. And I think when people are looking at something that's very new, they don't necessarily understand how many people it's already been tested on in how many trials before it gets to market, and how far along they are willing to stop it despite having spent many millions, probably billions of dollars to get to that point. We haven't had any problem, but I was surprised that it was really that thorough, that they were going to